guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope all of you have a good day. And let me introduce myself. My name is Fitsi Junior Saputri. I'm from ETSI 2017, and I'm studying in English Education Study Program at IKIP Siliwangi. Okay, in this moment, I would like to explain about the sounds. It is the assignment from subject phonetic and phonology, and the title or the topic is of F sounds. The sound F is a sound from the consonant pairs group, and it is called the voiceless labiodental fricative. This means that you create friction between the bottom lip and top tooth. The voiceless F sounds is produced by stopping and releasing air between the bottom lip and the front side of the top teeth. Nah, jadi sounds F itu diproduksi atau dikeluarkan dengan udara antara bibir dan gigi. Jadi contohnya seperti ini. F. Okay, the symbol F sounds like this. Okay, F sounds is a voiceless sound. Artinya F sound itu adalah sound yang tidak bergetar. Jadi ketika kita mengeluarkan suara F itu tidak bergetar. And the letter F is a voiceless sound because the vocal cords do not vibrate. Instead, we use a puff of air to produce the sound. Jadi kalau kita mau mengeluarkan suara F itu harus mengeluarkan udara dari gigi dan juga bibir. And also spelled letter PH and GH, same like sounds F. Jadi jika di dalam suatu kata itu ada huruf GH and PH, itu untuk mengeluarkan suaranya itu sama seperti sounds F. Okay, dan di sini I would like to explain the example or give you an example. The first is in the beginning words. For, friend, fox, fish, find, follow, feelings, focus, final, flag, family, five, pillow, females, from, pharmacy, photograph, photocopy, philosophy, and phone. And the words with the F sounds in the middle: after, life, live, significant, relevant, dolphin, earphone, microphone, before, perfectly, welfare, different, significant, information, and obvious. And the word with the if sounds at the end: stuff, if, myself, half, stuff, of, book, enough, graph, graph, love, biography, and geography. guys, it is example for about the topic is sound of F, and it is assignment from Miss Sri Laila Syed Pro SPD MPD. And so happy watching, and don't forget like and subscribe. Bye bye.